Hi, good day, M6063. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Joy Velasco Barcelon. I'm 35 years old. I live in Olongapo City, Zambales, Philippines. I'm a Roman Catholic. I'm a single mother. I have four children. My twin my twin son is 13 years old. The second is my daughter, 9 years old, and the youngest is my baby boy, 3 years old.
Okay, your experience.
Yes, I have experience work abroad in Qatar, 3 years and 2 months.
Okay, other household chores that you do in Qatar.
My my main duties on Qatar is general cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, ironing, and caring pets.
Okay, and you have also experience here in the Philippines, right?
Also, local nanny with four family, the 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 couple and the two children.
Okay, so two children, which is 3 years old, and also a
Yes,
newborn until
yes,
2 years old.
yes,
Okay, you are the one who took care of them. So since you have an experience taking care of a newborn baby, so you know how to prepare a
yes,
milk.
yes.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the diaper if it's full, the body temperature, and the stomach if he or she hungry. I give food.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did everything that you can, what will you do?
First, I call my employer what happened and what my next do for her son or daughter.
Okay, you will ask them what you
Yes,
should do. Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong? Why do you
because
want to work in Hong Kong?
the Hong Kong is a safest country, and also the salary is higher than the other country, and my future of my children
For the future of your
for the
kids.
future.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long my employers need me to stay here.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract, right?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, but I I I learned to how to cook because I have to cook, and I fast learner.
Okay. And you could also learn from YouTube, right? Or
Yes,
also read
cook,
some cookbooks.
cooking books.
And
Yes,
also, if you got an employer in Hong Kong, don't hesitate to ask them if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
okay.
Okay. If your employer prepared food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, of course.
It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes, of course.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, of course.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup by your employer.
Yes, of course.
How about taking care of
Yes,
pets?
of course, because I love pets, and also the Middle East, I have caring pets for two dogs and 15 cats.
Okay, so two dogs and 15 cats. Okay, if your employers have elderly on their house, it is okay to you to take care of them.
Yes,
How about learning Cantonese if one of your employers don't know how to speak English?
I want to learn to how to speak to know each other.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To all employers or in future employers, my employers, please hire me. I'm kindness and obedience, and um, I promise I give the hard working for my duties.
Okay. And also, can you promise to take good care of your children as your own?
Yes, of course. I
Oh,
love
okay. And
as my
also,
own.
can you follow the rules and regulations of their house?
Yes, I respect to your rules and your family.
Okay. Thank you very much,
Thank you
Miss
too.
Joy.
Thank you.